Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is Manjunath Bhandari. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 2.2 till we have completed 5 problems. In today's class, I will be continuing the exercise. Okay, this is the old problems. It is very easy. Please understand the question first, and then you get everything. Okay, and one more thing, please the video. Please like the video and share it as much as possible. Okay friends. Today we are going to start the class now. Okay. The first question today is I will be not writing the question. I will be dictating the question in textbook. You see it and try to understand the question. Okay. Today's sixth question. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? They are 3 consecutive integers. Let the integers be. There are three integers are there. Let the integers be x plus 1, x plus 2. There are 3 integers. When we add all this, we get 51. Find these integers. Okay. Now we must add all this. So we will take the x1 integer plus x plus 1 second integer plus x plus 2 third. We add, we will get 51. We have to find the value of x, all these values. Okay. Now we must add all this. So we will take 1, 2, 3. 3x are there. So we will add 3x plus 2 plus 1 3 is equal to 51. So take 3 as common here. What we will get? X plus 1 is equal to 51. 3 we can divide. 3 ones are 70. 70 is 51. Okay. So we will get as x plus 1 is equal to 70. So from here we will get if we shift the side, 1 means 17 minus 1. So we will get x is equal to 16. So we have to write the integers. So x is 16 means first one will get 16. Second one 16 plus 1 17. Third one 16 plus 2 18. The integers are 16, 17, 18. This is the required answer. Okay. Okay students, try to understand the concept, try to solve it. Okay. Please note down it. I will go to the next question. So the next question is 17th one. The question says that the sum of the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. We have to find the multiples. Sum of the 3 consecutive multiples. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Let the multiples of 8 be 3 consecutive multiples we must take. So I will take it as 8x one multiple, second one 8x plus 1, second multiple, third multiple 8x plus 2. 8x plus 2 is 1 is triple 8. Find the multiple. So it is 8 triple x. So we will take by adding 8 triple 8x plus 8x plus 1 plus 8x plus 2, it is triple x. The question is this much. So we have to find all these multiples. Okay. Now multiply 8 in all inside, so that we will get one equation. So otherwise you take 8 as a common here. Otherwise take as the 8 as a common. So we will get as x plus 1 plus 8 we have taken common means x plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay. In the next step we will divide by 8 triple 1 will get. So if we add all this means what will get? 3x plus 3 is equal to triple one. Okay, students, got it? Now, after it, we can shift this side to 3. So, we will get 3x is equal to triple one minus 3. So, we will get as 3x is equal to minus 3 means 108 will get. So, x is equal to 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 3 36. X is equal to 36. We got it. Okay. Now, we have to multiply all this one. So, first one 8x plus 1, 8x plus 2, what 8, 36. So here we will get as 8 into 36. What is the answer? 6 8s are 48, 8 3s are 24, 288. First number, we got the first number 288. Second number, x plus 136 means 8 into 37. 7 8s are 56. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 296. Third number, 8 into 38. What we will get? 8 8s are 64. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 6, 304. Third number. So first, second, third. We get 3 integers. In this way, we have to do it. Okay, students? Okay, please note it down. I'll go to the next problem. Seventh one, this one. Note it down. I'll go to the next problem. So the next question is eighth one. 3 consecutive integers are such that they are taken as increment by order and multiplied by 2, 3, 8 respectively, and added up to 74. Find these numbers. There 3 integers are there. 8 1. Let the numbers be. We take 3 numbers, x plus 1, x plus 3 numbers, and they are multiples by 2, 3, 4. So they multiples by 2 means they multiply by 2 means here multiplied by 2, here multiplied by 3, here multiplied by 4, 2, 3, 4, and added up to 74. So the equation will be in this way: 2x plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x plus 2. They added up to 74. We have to find the number. Okay, students. Now we'll solve it further. So we'll take it as 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 2, 4x plus 8 is equal to 74. Okay. Now in the next step we'll take add of like terms. It will be 9x is equal to 74 minus, both will take the same means what will get 8 plus 3 11. So 11. So 9x is equal to, we'll get it at 63. So x is equal to 7. We got x is equal to 7. So now we have to write these values. So we'll write these values. So first one is 2x. 2x. So 7, x is equal to 7. 7 2s are 14. 8. 7 plus 1 8. 8 3s are 24. 7 8 9. 4 9s are 36. So these are the required numbers. We got it. Okay. Please note it down. I will go to the next problem. Students, here we have to write only the values of this one, x plus 1, x plus 2. So okay, this is also right answer. We have to write x plus. These are the numbers they are given in the question. So x is 7. This will be 8. This will be 9. These are the required numbers. Okay. Please note it down. This is not required. This one is required. Okay. Please note it down. I will go to the next problem. So the next problem, 9th one. The age of Rahul and Arun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of the ages will be 56. What are the present ages? So the ages of Rahul and Arun is 5:7. The ratio is in 5:7. 4 years later means 4 years afterwards, their ages will be 56. Okay, 4 years later. So we can write it as 4 years later. We don't know the exact, so we'll take x. 4 years later of both added up, we will get it as 56. What is the present? So we will take as 5x plus 4. Rahul plus Arun. Arun 7x plus 4. If they both the ages, you get here 56. Find the present. This is the question. So we'll solve it next one. 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 4 plus 4 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8. 12x is equal to 14. We get x is equal to, we will get as 4. Okay. Now what is the present age? So the present age will be this one. So we will get as Rahul and Harun. Rahul we have 5x, Arun is called as 7x. So 4, 5 4s are 20. Rahul present age is 20. Arun's present age is 7 years are 28. Okay, this is a required answer. Okay students, note it down. I will go to the next problem. So 10th question is, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So the number of boys and girls are in the ratio 7:5. 7:5 they have given the ratio. Second one, the number of boys is boys. The number of boys is 8 more than the girls. 8 more than the girls. What is total? So we have to find the total strength. Okay. Now we can total strength is we don't know. So we will take a strength. So 7x plus 5 is 12x. We have to find 12x is nothing but total strength. So the next step we have to find. So this, if we take this equation, we get it as boys minus girls is equal to 8. Okay, boys minus girls is equal to, from this equation we get. So boys how much is there? 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. So here we will get it as 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 4. We know that x is equal to 4. So total strength is 12. So 12 into 4. So we get it as total strength is 48. Okay, it's very easy. You can write in this way. Okay, understand the concept.